Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco X7 Pro. And for that you have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now you're on the preview, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something, or here at the corners, pretty nice, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, you can share this edited part here, or with the checkbox you send it directly to your gallery. There's a second way to have a screenshot, and for that just scroll down here right next to the camera so that you're here at the control center, and the part of the control center is here the icon with the scissor in it. With that you can have also a screenshot. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. Just take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after? Of course, here at the gallery. And yeah, here the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots, we have here an own folder only for your screenshots and screen recordings. Pretty nice. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.